Archives of Prasar Bharati presents the timeless treasure of golden era.
After several days' siege of Anandpur by the enemy, Guru Gobind Singh got an assurance from the enemy that if he left his fort with his men, his life would be spared. As the shortage of provisions and long-drawn period of war reduced the number of Sikh warriors, Guru Gobind Singh Ji decided to abandon the fort at night and departed towards Kiratpur. It was the night of the 20th and 21st December 1704. River Sirsa is about 6 miles away from Kiratpur. When the Guru reached the bank of this river, it was in spate. The waves were rising. The Singhs found themselves in great difficulty. Behind them were the approaching forces of the enemy, and ahead of them was the fury of the river Sirsa. Guruji, the Singh, all put their horses into the turbulent waters of the Sirsa. Many a Singh and many a scripture were washed away by the waters. Guru Gobind Singh Ji's family was divided into 3 parts in the Sirsa saga.
ਸਰਬ ਸੁਖ ਪਾਈਐ ਸਭ ਵਡਿਆਈਆਂ ਹਰ ਨਾਮ ਵਿੱਚ ਹਰ ਗੁਰਮੁਖ ਧਿਆਈਐ ਸਭ ਵਡਿਆਈਆਂ ਹਰ ਨਾਮ ਵਿੱਚ.
The next day, a unique battle of the world was fought at Chamkaur. The Guru had lost his 2 elder sons in the battle. Guru Gobind Singh Ji then made his way to Machiwada through the jungles. Blood was oozing out from the wounded feet of the master. His clothes became tattered rags. The master lay under the jand tree, resting his head on a mound of mud or tinned, and had a dialogue with the Lord and recited the verses.
मित्र प्यारे नू मित्र प्यारे नू हाल मुरीदा दा कहना मित्र प्यारे नू. तुद बिन रोग रजाया दा ओढ़ण तुद बिन रोग रजाया दा ओढ़ण नाग निवास.
मैं हर हर करके
In Machiwada, there are 3 Gurudwaras which commemorate this historic event of December 1705.
मैं हर हर
Gurudwara Charan Kamal Sahib was established during the rule of the Sikh misls and was managed and maintained for a long time by the Nihangs. It is now under SGPC. It has a sarovar and an old historical well. An annual congregational fair is held in December, corresponding to the 9th and 10th Po, the days of the Guru's stay at Machiwada.
गुरपुरे हरे नाम दिड़ाया
It was at this very place that the 5 beloved disciples, the 2 Bhai Dharam Singh and Daya Singh and Bhai Man Singh, accompanied the Guru when he arrived at Machiwada.
हर तन पल्ल दियो हर ने चल हर तन पल्ल दियो और न सपा
Gurdwara Chaubara Sahib, situated inside the town at the site of Bhai Gulab's house, where the Guru and his 2 companions stayed in Machiwada.
मैं नीर वे चल दियो मैं नीर वे
Meanwhile, the contingents dispatched by the ruler of Sarhand were searching for Guru in every nook and corner. Now, Machiwada did not seem to be a safe place indeed for the master's stay. Ghani Khan and Nabi Khan, 2 Muslim brothers, disguised the Guru as Uchidapir, and they made their journey towards Alamgir. Gurudwara Uchdapir was established after 1947 in a private house. Belonging to the descendants of Ghani Khan and Nabi Khan, who had migrated to Pakistan in the wake of partition. It is said that it was here that the Guru Gobind Singh Ji disguised at the Peer of Uch.
मैं नीर वे चल दियो और न सपा बिन देख प्रीतमा बिन देख प्रीतमा
On reaching Alamgir, the Guru met with Bhai Man Singh's elder brother, Nigahia Singh, who offered his best steed to the master. Gurdwara Alamgir Sahib. It is here that the Guru Gobind Singh Ji arrived disguised as Uchdapir. There he discarded the palanquin and therefore rode a horse. Talwandi Sabo, a village 28 kilometers from Bhatinda town, was the next major halt where Guru Gobind Singh Ji came to pause and rest. Damdama, meaning a spot for repose. This out-of-the-way region was inhabited by the Bharar family. Guru Gobind Singh Ji arrived at Talwandi Sabo in January 1706 and he left in October the same year. The place therefore came to be known as Damdama Sahib because of the brief respite which the Guru had here, lasting for about 9 months and 9 days. It is from here that the Guru had written a Zafarnama to Emperor Aurangzeb, requesting him to come down to Talwandi Sabo for a talk. It is here that the Guru added Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji's 115 hymns, including the slokas, while preparing a fresh copy of the Granth. His humility was so great that he would not have his own scriptures included in it. This is a copy of an old holy Granth believed to have been prepared by Baba Deep Singh. Gurdwara Likhansar Sahib, located towards the southeastern corner of the Sarovar. This Gurdwara marks the spot where Guru Gobind Singh Ji consigned to the holy tank the reed pen used for the compilation of the Granth. Asked by Dal Singh why he did so, the Guru observed that this place in due course would emerge as the Academy of Sikh Studies and attract scholars from far and near. These words came true indeed in the form of Damdama Taksel organized by Baba Deep Singh, and later it came to be known as Guru Ki Kashi. There is a mirror which is said to have curative properties. The Darbar here displays Guru Gobind Singh's gun and other items daily to the devotees. This gun was presented to the Guru by one of the devotees. While examining the weapon, Guru decided to test the target of the gun. He asked Dal Singh to present a man to test the aim of the gun. But Dal could not present anyone.
ਸਿਫਤ ਸਲਾਹਣ ਤੇਰਾ ਹੁਕਮ ਰਜਾਈ ਸਿਫਤ ਸਲਾਹਣ
Bhai Bir Singh and Bhai Dheer Singh then fought each other to present themselves first before the Guru as the aim for the test of the gun.
ਸੋ ਗਿਆਨ ਧਿਆਨ
Such was the miraculous influence of Amrit, which transformed the ordinary man into a Guru's Sikh or lion. Gurudwara Nivas Asthan Padshahi the 10th. It marks the residence of Guru Gobind Singh Ji during his stay at Talwandi Sabo for over 9 months. It is said that when Guru Gobind Singh Ji arrived at Talwandi Sabo, he alighted from his horse near a mound and paid his homage to a spot supposed to have been visited by his father earlier.
ਅੰਮ੍ਰਿਤ ਨਾਮ ਤੇਰਾ ਸੋਈ ਗਾਵੇ ਜੋ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਤੇਰਾ ਮਨ ਭਾਵੇ ਜੋ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਤੇਰਾ ਮਨ ਭਾਵੇ ਅੰਮ੍ਰਿਤ ਨਾਮ ਤੇਰਾ
Gurudwara Manji Sahib Padshah the 9th and 10th. It is situated about 100 meters to the west of Darbar Sahib. Guru Tegh Bahadur is said to have supervised the digging of the tank from here. Gurudwara Mata Sundari and Mata Sahib Diwan, situated northeast of Takht Sri Damdama Sahib. The Gurudwara marks the quarters where the two revered ladies resided.
ਸੰਤ ਤੁਮਾਰੇ ਸੰਤ ਸਾਹਿਬ
Gurudwara Jhandasar Sahib, situated less than a kilometer from the main Takht. It is the spot where Guru Gobind Singh Ji dug a treasure in order to pay the salaries to his soldiers. It is said that the Jhand, the tree to which the Guru had tied his horse for a while, is as green as ever, even today. A Gurudwara was also established in memory of Bhai Bir Singh and Bhai Dheer Singh.
ਅੰਮ੍ਰਿਤ ਨਾਮ ਤੇਰਾ ਸੋਈ ਗਾਵੇ
Gurudwara Nanaksar, situated between Likhansar and Jhandasar. It commemorates Guru Nanak Ji's visit at the place.
ਤੇਰਾ ਮਨ ਭਾਵੇ ਅੰਮ੍ਰਿਤ ਨਾਮ ਤੇਰਾ ਸੋਈ ਗਾਵੇ
This is a cave-like structure where Baba Deep Singh had meditated. In 1761, when Ahmad Shah Abdali desecrated the Harmandir Sahib at Amritsar, Baba Deep Singh led a Shahidi Jatha or martyr's force and gave his life fighting Abdali's hordes led by Jahan Khan.
ਤਪਤ 부ਝਾਈ ਅੰਮ੍ਰਿਤ ਨਾਮ ਪੀਵੋ ਮੇਰੀ ਭਾਈ ਅੰਮ੍ਰਿਤ ਨਾਮ ਪੀਵੋ ਮੇਰੀ ਭਾਈ
An octagonal structure in memory of Baba Deep Singh is erected on the platform of the main Takht.
ਸਾਧ ਸੰਗ ਤਾਂ ਕੀ ਸਰਨੀ ਪ੍ਰਹੋ ਸਾਧ ਸੰਗ ਤਾਂ ਕੀ
There is also an institution of Nihang Bunga, which functions as the headquarters of the Buddha Dal of the Nihang Sikhs. This is an old house of the 13th descendant of Baba Dal Singh, who have in their possession some of Guru's personal belongings. They display to the devotees throughout the year.
ਪਟਿਆਲੇ ਪਾਸੇ ਕਿੰਨੀ ਉਰਦੂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਅੱਲਾ ਲਿਖਿਆ ਹੋਇਆ ਹੈ। ਇਹ ਕਿਸੇ ਮੁਸਲਮਾਨ ਕਾਰੀਗਰ ਨੇ ਬਣਾ ਕੇ ਭੇਟਾ ਕੀਤਾ ਸੀ ਗੁਰੂ ਦਸਵੇਂ ਪਾਤਸ਼ਾਹ ਨੂੰ। ਇਹ ਵੱਡੀ ਦਸਤਾਰ ਹੈ ਜੀ ਗੁਰੂ ਦਸਵੇਂ ਪਾਤਸ਼ਾਹ ਦੀ। ਢਾਕੇ ਦੀ ਮਲਮਲ ਵੱਡੀ ਦਸਤਾਰ ਗੁਰੂ ਦਸਵੇਂ ਪਾਤਸ਼ਾਹ। ਇਹ ਛੋਟੀ ਦਸਤਾਰ ਹੈ ਜੀ ਗੁਰੂ ਦਸਵੇਂ ਪਾਤਸ਼ਾਹ ਦੀ ਕੇਸ ਦੀ। ਇਹ ਵੱਡਾ ਚੋਲਾ ਜੀ ਗੁਰੂ ਦਸਵੇਂ ਪਾਤਸ਼ਾਹ ਦਾ। ਇਹ ਛੋਟਾ ਚੋਲਾ ਜੀ ਗੁਰੂ ਦਸਵੇਂ ਪਾਤਸ਼ਾਹ ਦਾ ਅੰਦਰਾ ਥਾ, ਜਿਹੜਾ ਬਨੈਣ ਦੀ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ ਪਹਿਨਿਆ ਹੋਇਆ ਹੈ। ਇਹ ਰੇਪ ਪਜਾਮਾ ਜੀ ਗੁਰੂ ਦਸਵੇਂ ਪਾਤਸ਼ਾਹ ਦਾ। ਇਹ ਮਾਤਾ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਕੌਰ ਦਾ ਰੇਪ ਪਜਾਮਾ ਜੀ। ਇਹ ਬਾਜ ਦੀ ਡੋਰ ਹੈ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਬਾਜ ਦੇ ਪੈਰਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਪਾਈ ਸੀ। ਇਹ ਗੁਰੂ ਗ੍ਰੰਥ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਹੈ ਜੀ, ਪੂਰਾ 1430 ਸਫਾ ਪੂਰਾ ਗੁਰੂ ਗ੍ਰੰਥ ਸਾਹਿਬ। ਇਹ ਹੁਕਮਨਾਮਾ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਹੈ ਜੀ, ਜਿਹੜੇ ਤਖਤ ਸ੍ਰੀ ਦਮਦਮਾ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਮੰਨੇ ਗਏ ਨੇ।
There is one Gurudwara called Kila Mubarak inside the fort in Bhatinda town, which marks the visit of the 10th Guru during his stay in Talwandi Sabo.
साध संग सदा सुख पाइए, हर बिसर न कब हूँ जाई, हर बिसर न कब हूँ जाई, हर बिसर न कब हूँ।
Before Guru Gobind Singh Ji left Damdama Sahib, the Guru designated Baba Deep Singh as the first Jathedar and entrusted the copy of the Holy Granth to him. Baba Deep Singh's academy did excellent work in propagating the correct reading of the Guru Bani and the preservation of the Sikh tradition. Though formally elevated as a Takht in 1963, Sri Damdama Sahib or Guru Ki Kashi, by virtue of its association with Guru Gobind Singh Ji during a critical period when the Guru was rejuvenating the community, it has played a significant role of a Takht as understood in the Sikh parlance. The contribution of Takht Sri Damdama Sahib to the Sikh way of life, more particularly its religious practices, is commendable indeed.
ऐसी प्रीत करो मन में ऐसी